It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Ameristar windows and doors are all manufactured locally in Southern California. But what does that mean for you? Connor Lucene is here to talk about how you can get expedited windows when it comes time to replacing your windows in your home. Thanks for coming in today.
Thanks for having me, Jordan.
Let's talk about the industry standard is quite longer than the regular business flow at Ameristar when it comes to replacing someone's windows.
It is. The standard industry is 4 to 6 weeks. At Ameristar, it's 7 to 10 days.
Wow.
And it's a normal process for us. Since we have our own technicians, we have our own installers, we have our own factory, we can expedite the whole process. So there's 3 things you can do in this world, and that's, make a quality product, make something that a good value, and do something expeditious. And we happen to do all 3 of those things, and we're extremely proud of that.
And how are you able to do that?
Well, because we have our own factory and the synergy between our installers, our technicians, if they're on site, they can call into the factory, they can put it into production, and we get that window done. Even if there's a mistake for some reason, or they're opening up a hole and there's damage, and we have to fix that damage, and it's a little bit bigger or smaller than it needs to be, we'll call the factory, have it made, they'll bring it right down to the job site, and the install does not get stalled. It happens that day.
Wow, so it's really, Ameristar is in control of that window from literally start to finish, from when it gets measured to when it gets created to when it's fully installed in the home, and that cuts out so much downtime. I mean, I think we should really go back and reiterate. You said industry standard is 4 to 6 weeks. Ameristar's standard business flow is 7 to 10 days.
That is correct. And even if you need something emergent, there's a house the other day we did, and they were having a party and they wanted it done in 3 days. Well, we did it. 11 windows and 2 doors, and it was finished in 3 days. We can even make stuff in 1 day if we really need to. So we always save some time in the factory for that emergency.
So it's really about customer service. Tell me why that's so important to you.
Customer service is always important. I think it's a lost art these days. Everything is fast and everything's data and everything's driven, but where's that relationship? Where's that where you can really trust somebody? You're making a great product, but where's that where you really have trust in someone that can follow through with it and get it done in a quick time?
A quick time, but like you said, also at a good value and a really high quality product. So it's excellent that Ameristar has that factory right here in Southern California. Get started with Ameristar windows and doors today at 760-269-8616. You can find them and other top pros at ApprovedHomePros.com. Again, that is 760-269-8616 or ApprovedHomePros.com. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And when you do, you'll have full access to all of our videos, from full episodes to quick tips covering topics in all areas of home improvement. So hit that subscribe button below for quick and easy access to everything you need to know about your home.